Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on reserve rights. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that reserve right broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, by the way, this was the last video, not this one. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this breakout, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.00336 that was previously working as a support here and as a support here as well. And now you can see again, it worked as a strong resistance and the pricing got rejected. And now it is testing this long-term support of $0.0026 that was previously working as a support here and resistance here. And now for the past several weeks, it is again working as a nice support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for reserve rights that I shared a few days ago on 29th of December with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for reserve rights that I shared a few days ago on 29th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And you can see that this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very nice bullish reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 13% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of reserve rights, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of November 2020, when we found the support here, and by the way, we found the resistance here in the month of April 2021, the price line was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern, and during this move to the downside, we broke down so many significant support levels. Like here, we had a very nice and strong and long-term support at 1.1 cents. That was working as a very nice support here as well. But finally, we broke it down and retested this previous support as a resistance, got rejected here and here. And finally, we broke down the next support of $0.0055, almost at half cents. That was working as a support level here for several weeks a month. And then we broke down another very significant support of 3.36 cents, and then $0.00336, and then we broke down the next support of $0.0026, and now it is again breaking as a support after this breakout from this wedge. You can see after the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, imminently it also broke out this resistance of $0.006 that was previously working as a support here, and for several weeks it was working as a resistance, and now for the past several weeks it is again working as a nice support after this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00336 that was previously working as a support, and now it is flipped into a strong resistance, and then an imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance of $0.0055. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 12 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.